Hey guys, this is Steve Norris with Tucson Subaru. Today I'm going to talk about that cluster of buttons that's by your left knee when you're driving. What do all those buttons do? Let's talk about it. Here we go! Alright, so depending on your car, you may have a different cluster here on the, like I said, over by your left knee. Right now we're looking at an Outback. And then you can also see on a Forester, it's going to look something like this. On an Ascent, it's going to look something like this. And then on a Crosstrek, it's going to look something like this. All right, so we're looking at an Outback right now. And these are the switches that you'll see over by that cluster of buttons by your left knee. So real quick, just to go over what they do. This first one here is the PowerGate, open and close. The one right next to that is the dimmer switch. How bright do you want the lights on the inside of the car? Next one after that, memory height adjustment. So how you can set the height to the PowerGate. This is how you start that process. There's a video in the link below that goes over how to do that. Bottom left there, traction control on and off. Next to that is your blind spot monitor, or blind spot detection, and your rear cross traffic alert on and off. Next to that is your eyesight lane departure warning. Push and hold that to turn that on or off. And then the one next to that is your frontal collision braking. All right, next button here, depending on the car you have, SRH off, steering responsive headlights. Do you want the headlights to swivel when you turn the steering wheel on your equipped vehicle? All the other buttons are the same except for this one, auto start stop. So this is on a Forester. When you stop the car, do you want the engine to turn off to save fuel and emissions? Or do you want to keep that on, or keep the engine on? Toggle that on and off by pushing that button. And then the last button we haven't seen yet on an Ascent, that is basically to turn off the lights with just a quick button push. So if someone in the back turns the light on, rather than having to go back and turn it off, you can actually push that button, turn it off from there.